Welcome to Python for Youth. We're a new company focused solely on educating students who want to be in computer science and creating new technology to help students learn programming. And so we're really passionate about Python, hence our name, Python for Youth. We're also super interested in all programming languages. So we're not just Python, we're all of them. But for the time being, we focus on Python. And so we've developed a new app, and we'd like to share this with you. It's a learning app, but you learn by doing. And so it's going to come up here in a second. And what you see is there's some instructions. I'm going to kind of show you what's going on. This is the interface that you get. And once this is done, I'll kind of walk you through it. So all of the courses are over here. And if you click on it, you get all the courses. Right now I just have the introduction. I haven't actually built all the courses yet. But if you click on it, you'll get kind of your instructions. Being the introduction, the instructions are going to be a little bit longer. But they'll walk you through the code and kind of explain some things to you. So you can keep watching that if you want. But right here, you'll be given code, and this will be pre-typed out code. And then down here, you'll get an output window. And so what happens is you select the beginning of the code, and this is going to teach you programming by doing. So you're going to actually type the exact same thing you see. As you do, you'll see the colors changing. Now, if I type something extra, it comes up extra. You see that? And you can go back and you can restart where the code is supposed to be. If you super mess up and you lost your place and you don't know how to get it back to original, just simply hit reset code. When you restart, print. See, typed the wrong letter. So let's try that. Now, once I get to the end of this, if it's correct, it'll actually show me what that code outputs down here. And so what this will do is it'll teach you lines of code by typing it. So you'll type it, you'll have instructions over here that'll kind of explain to you what's going on and all that. And as you can see, it restarted. That's because I hit reset code. When you hit reset code, it'll also reset the instructions. But I'm going to clean that up a little bit. It's a little messy right now. But the gist of this is each course over here is going to have multiple lessons. So if I hit next, it'll bring up a new lesson. And within each course, you'll have different lessons. Each lesson will go over a few lines of code, and it'll teach you how to rewrite those lines of code in different ways, and it'll explain what that code does. And because you're typing it and seeing the output, it's just like you're programming, but you're doing it in a controlled environment where we're giving you code to type, and so you're learning by using real code. And so you'll learn muscle memory, you'll learn typing, you'll learn lines of code, you'll rewrite different types of lines of code, and it's a really safe place to learn. It's also super beneficial for any age group who wants to learn. Rather than dragging and dropping blocks, yeah, it's great. But this teaches you real code and how to actually type it out and to see the results of it. The way this app was developed, this will also be useful for any programming language, just about. We're starting with Python. That's what we're going to start when we ship out this app, is it'll be Python, and then we'll move on to some of the other popular ones like C#, C++, Java, and some of those. And you'll be able to learn the same way. You'll type it out and you'll do it. But we're super excited. We believe this is the best way to learn Python because you're learning it by doing, instead of just reading books and videos. Books and videos are great, but they include a lot of filler, they're a time waster, and not everybody wants to sit there reading things to just copy and paste code. So we're teaching you how to actually type out code, how it's going to function, how to format it, indentation, and all of that. So we're super excited about this, and we're super excited just about the opportunity that we get to reach out to students. We're developing curriculum for schools in Cambodia and here in America. And we're really hoping that this app will actually take the place of curriculum and take the place of books and videos. And while those are helpful, I believe this app will be the most beneficial for learning Python. So if you're new to Python, if you're new to programming or computer science or any of that, check this app out, and you can literally, within seconds, as you notice, within seconds you can be programming and writing code, and you could be at a decent level of programming within a matter of a couple hours.